Hey, what's going on? Fort Wayne Nugget and ClickHop.com, where you click what's next. You rocking with your boy Soup the Man. First and foremost, I want to take the time and thank you guys for the opportunity that you're giving me right now to live my dream of becoming a DJ on the radio. You know, it's not many radio stations to do that, and I really think this is hot that you guys are doing that, and I'm rocking with you. I'm with you guys with that. With that being said, I think I'd be a great co-host to my boy Nugget. Music is just in my blood, man. My father was a DJ for a long time over at Foxy 107.9. He did his thing for a long time, and I can remember growing up and always saying what I wanted to be when I grew up was a DJ. And now that the opportunity has finally presented itself, what better chance to take it right now? I got a lot of charisma, a lot of ideas that I can bring to the table, you know, to an already strong team over at ClickHop.com. I listen to you guys' music all the time, and I really like the fact that you guys let the viewers click what's next. Because at the end of the day, the viewers are what really matters, and you know, we're really who's listening to the music and everything, and I want to be a part of that. I feel that you guys are doing great things, and there's great things to come from you guys. With that being said, I hope to hear from you guys soon, and signing off is Soup the Man. Peace and love.